how to check computer screen time. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our desktop, and then on this part on the search bar just search for settings. After that, just click open right here, and then in this part we're going to click on the system, which is right here, and then click power and battery. Once you do that, what we are going to do is to click on battery usage, which is right here. And then if you scroll down, you will now be able to see your screen time right here. So as you can see, in the last 24 hours, I used my computer for about 3 hours and 49 minutes. So of course, you can also change to that if you want to. So just click that and then just click last 7 days. And then you will now be able to see the screen time daily average, which is 4 hours. And then for the battery usage per app, you will also be able to see it right here. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to check computer screen time.